Hello dear subscribers, they'll tell you how can you tell if you've been blocked on iMessage. So actually you can understand it if you open chat with this person and actually this person just add to iMessage so avatar like in other social media like Telegram or WhatsApp and actually some username, and also you see only your contact name and uh, some standard uh, photo, not from this user but actually with name of this user, so from your contact. So actually if you previous time see uploading photo some of this user and just his username, and after you see only your contact name and no profile picture, so it means that this user just blocked you on iMessage. So thanks for watching, have a nice day, subscribe to my channel, click like and bye.